everybody, this is Abhi here with LA Nissan. I wanted to show you something spectacular, the first of its kind, the 2026 Nissan Rogue, the Rock Creek trim. First thing you'll notice on the 2026 Rock Creek Nissan Rogue is that it's got this massive Meteor tires that are great for anything off the pavement. You got snow, gravel, mud, name it, the vehicle is able to handle it all. The front, you get the beautiful Rock Creek badging and the designing all across the front, with the Nissan logo also having the orange trim on it, and under the vehicle itself is the skid plate that allows you to keep the components underneath safe from any rocks, any debris going in there when you are off the pavement. Also get the Rock Creek badging on the side of the car, intelligent around view monitor across the vehicle, and the roof racks up top to give you a little bit more space to store anything you might need to. 26 Rock Creek also comes with keyless entry on your doors, making it super easy to get inside. And inside you're greeted with that beautiful Rock Creek badging interior and the new hill descent control. Think of it like a cruise control for going downhill sketchy terrains. Instead of riding the brakes and sweating bullets, the Rock Creek Rogue does that for you. Rogue also comes with an automatic liftgate which opens up with a push of a button like that, with plenty of space in there to store anything and everything you might need, and the 60/40 split to allow you to store anything bigger. From the weekend in the mountains to your day-to-day driving, the Rock Creek Rogue does it all. From the heated seats to the heated steering wheel to the remote starter built right onto the key fob directly from the factory, the vehicle can do it all and gives you the power that you need when you're climbing uphill or the fuel efficiency when you're driving down the highway to get to work. The Rogue does it all. Come on down to LA Nissan to check one out today and to really experience all the great things the Rock Creek Rogue has to offer you, and make one yours.